Did you know that nearly 40 million people in the United States alone suffer from chronic kidney disease? That's a staggering number, highlighting the urgency of taking care of our kidney health. While we often hear about foods impacting our heart, liver, and stomach, it's time to focus on our kidneys. These remarkable organs silently work day in and day out, but they're not invincible. Poor dietary choices can wreak havoc on them. Today, we're here to shed light on this critical issue and identify the 10 foods that could be secretly destroying your kidneys. 1. Milk. Have you ever wondered if your daily glass of milk could be harming your kidneys? Milk, a staple in many households, is celebrated for its calcium, protein, and essential vitamins. However, it also has a darker side when it comes to our kidneys. High levels of calcium, phosphorus, and protein in milk can disrupt the delicate balance of minerals and nutrients that our kidneys maintain. While calcium is essential for bone health, an excess can spell trouble for kidney function. The kidneys are tasked with filtering and excreting excess minerals, and an overload of calcium can contribute to kidney stone formation. These painful crystals not only cause discomfort, but can also impair kidney function if left unchecked. Furthermore, the high protein content in milk can be problematic. Overconsumption of protein can increase the workload on the kidneys, leading to potential damage over time. People with pre-existing kidney conditions need to be particularly cautious about their protein intake. Personal experience. In my practice, I've encountered patients who developed kidney stones due to excessive milk consumption. One patient, a middle-aged man with a penchant for milkshakes, suffered from recurrent kidney stones. By moderating his milk intake and opting for lower calcium alternatives, his condition improved significantly. Scientific evidence. Studies have shown that high calcium intake can lead to kidney stone formation. Research published in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found a direct link between high dairy consumption and an increased risk of kidney stones. Practical tips. If you're concerned about your kidney health, consider switching to lower calcium and lower protein milk alternatives, such as almond milk or oat milk. These options provide essential nutrients without overloading your kidneys. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment great to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. 2. Peanut butter. Did you know that your favorite spread could be overloading your kidneys with phosphorus? Peanut butter, beloved for its creamy texture and rich flavor, is a versatile and tasty treat. However, it's also high in phosphorus, a mineral that can be problematic for individuals with weaker kidneys. Excess phosphorus in the bloodstream can lead to various health issues, particularly for those with compromised kidney function. Weak kidneys struggle to efficiently remove excess phosphorus from the body, which can result in elevated phosphorus levels. This imbalance can cause a chain reaction of health problems, including bone and cardiovascular issues. The phosphorus overload in peanut butter is not the only concern. It also often contains added sugars and unhealthy fats, which can further strain the kidneys. Personal experience. A young athlete in my care loved peanut butter and consumed it daily as part of his high-protein diet. After developing kidney discomfort, we discovered his phosphorus levels were elevated. By reducing his peanut butter intake and incorporating other protein sources, his kidney function improved. Scientific evidence. Research has indicated that high phosphorus intake is linked to negative outcomes in kidney health. A study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology highlighted the risks associated with excessive dietary phosphorus, particularly in those with existing kidney issues. Practical tips. If you're a peanut butter enthusiast, try switching to lower phosphorus spreads like almond or cashew butter. Additionally, check labels for added sugars and unhealthy fats to ensure you're making a healthier choice. 3. Apricots. Are your favorite dried fruits quietly harming your kidneys? Apricots, whether fresh or dried, are packed with essential nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, and copper. However, they also contain high levels of potassium, which can be problematic for individuals with kidney concerns. Dried apricots, in particular, have a significantly higher concentration of potassium, making them a challenge for those on a renal diet. For individuals with compromised kidney function, managing potassium intake is crucial. High potassium levels can lead to hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by muscle weakness, fatigue, and potentially dangerous heart rhythms. Given that a single ounce of dried apricots can contain up to 1.5 grams of potassium, it's easy to exceed the recommended daily limit. Personal experience. I recall a patient who loved snacking on dried apricots. Despite being on a renal diet, she struggled with high potassium levels. By replacing apricots with lower potassium fruits like apples and berries, we managed to stabilize her potassium levels. Scientific evidence. Research has consistently shown that high dietary potassium can exacerbate kidney problems. The National Kidney Foundation emphasizes the importance of potassium management for kidney patients to prevent complications. Practical tips. If you enjoy apricots, opt for fresh ones in moderation and avoid dried versions. Instead, incorporate kidney-friendly fruits such as apples, grapes, and cranberries into your diet to keep potassium levels in check. 4. Tomatoes. Could your favorite pasta sauce be a hidden source of kidney strain? Tomatoes, with their vibrant color and robust flavor, are a versatile ingredient that enhances various dishes. However, they are also high in potassium, which can pose a risk to individuals with kidney issues. 1 cup of tomato sauce can contain as much as 728 milligallons of potassium, making it a significant contributor to daily potassium intake. For those with kidney disease, managing potassium levels is critical. Excess potassium can lead to hyperkalemia, which affects muscle function and can cause serious heart problems. While tomatoes are a common ingredient in many cuisines, there are delightful alternatives to explore that are lower in potassium. Personal experience. A patient of mine, an avid cook, loved using tomatoes in her dishes. After experiencing symptoms of hyperkalemia, we adjusted her diet to include low-potassium alternatives like roasted red pepper sauce. This change not only improved her kidney health, but also introduced her to new flavors in her cooking. Scientific evidence. Studies have highlighted the importance of managing potassium intake in kidney disease patients. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has documented the effects of high potassium levels on heart and kidney health, underscoring the need for careful dietary planning. Practical tips. Instead of using tomatoes, try substituting with lower potassium options like roasted red pepper sauce or homemade basil pesto. These alternatives provide rich flavors without the high potassium content, allowing you to enjoy your meals while protecting your kidneys. 5. Pickles. Are your favorite crunchy snacks loaded with kidney-damaging sodium? Pickles are a common household item, known for their tangy flavor and crunchy texture. However, they are also high in sodium, which can be detrimental to kidney health. The recommended daily salt intake for a healthy adult is between 1,500 to 2,300 milliliter, and just one pickle can contain nearly 1,200 milliliters of sodium, accounting for a significant portion of the daily allowance. High sodium intake can lead to increased blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for kidney disease. It also contributes to fluid retention, further straining the kidneys. Foods that undergo curing or pickling often receive a generous application of salt, making them a less than ideal choice for those concerned about their kidney health. Personal experience. I had a patient who loved pickles and included them in nearly every meal. Despite following a generally healthy diet, his sodium levels were consistently high. By reducing his pickle intake and choosing lower sodium snacks, his blood pressure and kidney function improved significantly. Scientific evidence. Numerous studies have shown the link between high sodium intake and kidney disease. Research published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology emphasizes the negative impact of excessive salt on kidney health, advocating for lower sodium consumption. Practical tips. If you enjoy pickles, opt for low-sodium versions or make your own at home using less salt. Alternatively, snack on fresh vegetables like cucumber slices or bell pepper strips to satisfy your craving for crunchy foods without the excess sodium. 6. Oranges. Could your daily glass of orange juice be too much for your kidneys? Oranges and their juice are popular for their refreshing taste and high vitamin C content. However, they also contain a high amount of potassium, which can be problematic for individuals with kidney concerns. An 8-ounce serving of orange juice contains approximately 458 ml of potassium, while a single orange offers about 330 ml. For those with kidney disease, managing potassium intake is crucial to prevent hyperkalemia. This condition can lead to serious heart problems and muscle weakness. Fortunately, there are alternatives that provide similar nutritional benefits without the high potassium content. Personal experience. One of my patients, a fan of fresh orange juice in the morning, struggled with high potassium levels. By switching to lower potassium fruits like apples and grapes, he was able to enjoy his breakfast without compromising his kidney health. Scientific evidence. The importance of potassium management in kidney disease is well documented. Research published in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology highlights the risks associated with high potassium intake for kidney patients. Practical tips. Instead of oranges, consider incorporating lower potassium fruits such as grapes, apples, and cranberries into your diet. These alternatives provide essential vitamins and minerals without overloading your potassium intake, helping you maintain better kidney health. 7. Potatoes. Are your favorite starchy sides putting your kidneys at risk? Both regular and sweet potatoes are popular and nutritious choices in many diets. However, they are also high in potassium, which can pose a challenge for individuals with kidney concerns. A medium-sized baked potato contains around 610 ml of potassium, while a similar serving of sweet potatoes offers roughly 438 ml. Managing potassium intake is essential for those with compromised kidney function to avoid hyperkalemia. This condition can lead to muscle weakness and heart problems. While potatoes are a staple in many diets, there are kidney-friendly alternatives to explore. Personal experience. A patient of mine, a fan of mashed potatoes, experienced elevated potassium levels despite otherwise following a healthy diet. By substituting potatoes with lower potassium options like cauliflower, we managed to keep his potassium levels in check. Scientific evidence. Studies have consistently shown the importance of potassium management in kidney health. Research published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition emphasizes the need for careful dietary planning to prevent hyperkalemia in kidney patients. Practical tips. If you enjoy potatoes, consider alternatives like cauliflower or zucchini. These vegetables provide a similar texture and can be prepared in various ways, offering delicious and kidney-friendly options for your meals. 8. Beets. Could your favorite salad topping be sabotaging your kidney health? Beets are celebrated for their vibrant color and numerous health benefits. However, they are also high in oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stone formation. Oxalates are naturally occurring compounds found in many foods, and excessive consumption can lead to the development of painful kidney stones. For those with a history of kidney stones or compromised kidney function, managing oxalate intake is crucial. While beets are a nutritious choice, there are alternatives that offer similar benefits without the high oxalate content. Personal experience. I had a patient who loved incorporating beets into her salads. Despite being otherwise healthy, she developed kidney stones. By reducing her beet intake and opting for low oxalate vegetables, her condition improved. Scientific evidence. Research published in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology highlights the link between high oxalate intake and kidney stone formation. Managing dietary oxalates is essential for preventing stones and maintaining kidney health. Practical tips. If you enjoy beets, consider low oxalate alternatives like cucumber or bell peppers. These vegetables provide crunch and flavor without the high oxalate content, allowing you to enjoy your salads while protecting your kidneys. 9. Canned soups. Are your quick and easy meals loaded with kidney-damaging sodium? Canned soups are a convenient option for busy individuals, offering quick and easy meals. However, they are often high in sodium, which can be detrimental to kidney health. A single serving of canned soup can contain up to 800 millicalories of sodium, accounting for a significant portion of the recommended daily intake. High sodium intake can lead to increased blood pressure and fluid retention, both of which strain the kidneys. For those with compromised kidney function, managing sodium intake is crucial to prevent further damage and maintain overall health. Personal experience. A patient of mine relied heavily on canned soups for convenience. Despite following a generally healthy diet, his sodium levels were consistently high. By switching to homemade soups with less salt, his blood pressure and kidney function improved. Scientific evidence. Research has shown the negative impact of high sodium intake on kidney health. The Journal of the American Society of Nephrology emphasizes the importance of reducing sodium consumption to prevent kidney damage and maintain overall health. Practical tips. If you enjoy soup, consider making your own at home with fresh ingredients and minimal salt. Alternatively, choose low-sodium canned soups and add extra herbs and spices for flavor. This way, you can enjoy a convenient meal without compromising your kidney health. 10. Bacon. Is your favorite breakfast treat putting your kidneys at risk? Bacon, beloved for its savory flavor and crispy texture, is a popular breakfast choice. However, it is also high in sodium and unhealthy fats, both of which can be detrimental to kidney health. Just a few slices of bacon can contain over 400 millicalories of sodium, contributing to high blood pressure and fluid retention. Excess sodium and unhealthy fats can strain the kidneys and increase the risk of kidney disease. For those with compromised kidney function, managing sodium and fat intake is crucial to prevent further damage and maintain overall health. Personal experience. A patient of mine, an avid bacon lover, experienced high blood pressure despite following a generally healthy diet. By reducing his bacon intake and opting for lower sodium and healthier breakfast options, his blood pressure and kidney function improved significantly. Scientific evidence. Studies have highlighted the negative impact of high sodium and unhealthy fat intake on kidney health. Research published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology emphasizes the importance of reducing sodium and unhealthy fat consumption to prevent kidney damage and maintain overall health. Practical tips. If you enjoy bacon, consider healthier alternatives like turkey bacon or plant-based bacon. These options provide similar flavors with lower sodium and unhealthy fat content, allowing you to enjoy your breakfast while protecting your kidneys. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment great to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. Taking care of your kidneys is essential for overall health and well-being. By being mindful of your dietary choices and avoiding these 10 kidney-damaging foods, you can help protect your kidneys and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Remember, small changes can make a big difference and your kidneys will thank you for it.